everyone, welcome to week 1 of Claws and Paws 2025 diamond painting event. I am thrilled to be hosting this with Hannah, Sparkling Spectrumite. We're just super excited to have this event and, of course, have the community share their love of animals and pets with us. So anyway, I am going to be unboxing Enabler's Outpost. This is going to be Viscus by Cheryl Carpenter. Viscus and Birdie are two canvases that are available from Enabler's Outpost, which is a small shop in our community. Most of you are very familiar with Enabler's Outpost, but they offer beautiful diamond painting pens as well as gorgeous diamond paintings. So this is one of the canvases I'm going to be working on for the event. So we are going to unbox this. But in this video, somewhere throughout the video, there's going to be a keyword that you need to put in a sentence down in the comments below. This keyword will let you be eligible for week 1 prizes. So, okay, let's open this beauty. Yes, I'm so excited. This is such a cute canvas. Cute canvas. Okay, are you ready? Ooh, you get all kinds of stuff here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Let me roll this backwards. Okay, I'll give you the specs on this. This is a 50 by 50 centimeter square drill canvas. Now, you can choose if you want this in square or in round. So that is a very nice option. It has 20 colors. Look at that. Look at that. Has 20 colors. 2 ABs and 2 shimmer drills are included in those 20 colors. All of the drills come in baggies. These are resin drills, and this is a hybrid hand-charted image. So look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, so we are going to get some of the bubbles out of just the plastic. Just pull it back halfway. There we go. We're going to turn it around and do the same thing. Okay. I am just in love with this canvas. It is bright and colorful, and there is going to be a bunch of color blocking. I am so sorry for the glare. I'm trying to do this with my lights on in my office. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is just the cutest image. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on the left, you've got your key code. And it's got your 20 colors. And down here, it shows you've got, oh, actually, there are 3 ABs. There's a blue, a green, and a yellow. And then you've got 2 shimmer drills. Oh, yay. You see it says Viscus by Cheryl Carpenter. And then also up here on the right, you also have a legend, which I love because that way it doesn't matter where you're working on the canvas. You can see a legend here and there. So, oh my gosh. Okay. This is your sticker sheet that comes with it, and all of them are pre-cut. You've got a start date and an end date, so you can take this sticker, cut it out, and put it in your logbook, which I will absolutely do. And it's got all your specs down here. Isn't that lovely? Love it. Some people don't use these when they're in baggies, but I do. I put all the stickers on the baggies, so absolutely. Absolutely. All right, crinkle noises, but let's look. Oh, look at all of these gorgeous colors. You can already see the shimmer drills and the ABs in here. So you're going to have lots of pink, lots of purple, lots of aqua. Oh my gosh. All right, we are going to open this up because I am going to kit this up today. Start of the event. Let me know in the comments what everybody is working on for the event. I would love to hear. Also, don't forget to join our Facebook group. I'll have the link in the description. But that is where you will post photos, progress photos. Share your pictures of your pets. We love seeing that. Okay. Now you also get an inventory sheet. which I also greatly appreciate, because that way you have, you know, a reference and you can check off all the drills that are supposed to be in there. You've got your DMC color, you know, the symbol, you've got your quantity, the actual quantity, weight, and the number of bags you should have. So love this. I use that as a checklist. Okay, let's look. Oh my gosh. All right, so let me pull out. All right, these are the ABs. Look at that. Look at the 3 ABs. Look at that gorgeous orange, and then like a green and the blue. Oh my gosh, y'all. Aren't they gorgeous? Love it. Okay, so there's the ABs, and then we also have, these are your 2 shimmer drills. 820 and 995. Oh, isn't that great? Oh my gosh. Okay, so those are your special drills. Now let's look at all of the other drills. Yeah, I'm just going to take all these out because, you know, gonna work on it. Gonna work on it. Look at all of those. So pretty. And again, like I said, these are resin drills, so they're not acrylic. Let's pull out some of those aquas. Yes, that is one of my favorite colors, 3812. Oh my gosh. 964 is also a good one. Look at that, 3845, 3846. Sorry about the camera. I'm standing up trying to look at my phone while it's up in the holder. Okay. We've got some more aquas. 939. The awesome thing about this, there's no, hold on, let me make sure. Oh, there is some 310. That's okay. There's not a whole lot of 310. There's just a little bag of 310. So, all right, those are all of the awesome colors. Let's move this to the side, and then we're going to go over the canvas. Oh my gosh. All right, let me pull this up to show you. Okay, so most of this is going to be color blocking, but look at the symbols. The symbols are very, very clear. No issues whatsoever with any fuzzy symbols. Look at that eye. Look at that eye. Now, I have ordered some enhancements for this kit from DP with Sparklers, which of course, DP with Sparklers is a sponsor of the event, so thank you to T-Ma. So I am waiting for those. I should get them this week, but I ordered some slivers so that I can put some slivers into Viscus and see how they look with some special enhancements. So yes, very excited. Okay, so in the comments down below, if you would like to be eligible for week 1 prizes, which of course I don't have with me. Hold on one moment. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. I had to get what prizes are for week 1. Okay, so in week 1, you're going to have a chance to get a bracelet from Beaded Melodies, a tray from Bijou Bliss, release papers and a cover minder from Crafts with Crashly, a $15 gift card from DP with Sparklers, a pen from Kevin's DP Pens, a $20 gift card to Carissa's Craft Corner, a $10 Patsy Putty gift card, a $15 gift card to Diamond Design Co., and a WeWax putty and keychain. So many prizes each week. It's amazing. I'm absolutely so just overwhelmed with gratitude. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So nine winners will be pulled for week 1. So in the comments down below, let's use the word pets. Just use the word pets in a sentence, P-E-T-S, and put those in the comments, and then you will be eligible to have a chance to win one of those fabulous prizes. The prizes will be pulled on Monday on my live, and of course, the winners will be pulled live. So anyway, just wanted to show you this gorgeous canvas from Enablers Outpost that I will be working on today. But thank you everybody for joining the event. I'm very excited, and Hannah and I are just thrilled that all of you are here. So yeah, join our Facebook group. There are a bunch of people in there, and there are, you know, all kinds of information about the event there. I'll also have, you know, all the sponsors listed below. So thank you again to all the sponsors. If you have any questions, comments, please put them down below, and stay tuned. Hannah will have a week 2 video on Tuesday next week. So we're going to alternate each week, and they will come out, the videos will come out on Tuesdays, and then we will pull winners every Monday on my live. So I hope all of you have a fabulous rest of your week, and I can't wait to see all of the awesome canvases you guys are working on for the event. All right, have a great week. Love you guys. Bye.